Hey everybody, Lane Mendelsohn here. As you can see behind me, these are some of the checks and financial contributions we've made to the Shriners Hospitals for Children, which is something that we feel very strongly about. It's one of the charities that we support, and we are so proud to be giving back to those in need and those right here in our local community. Last month, we gave almost 800 pounds of food to a local food bank, which is another way that we can give back and help those in need. This is all in addition to our company's mission, which is to empower traders daily, helping people who are trading in the financial markets to be more successful, more confident, ultimately more profitable, so that they can support themselves and their families and live the life they want to live. Well, someone on my team said to me, Lane, have we ever done a clothing drive? Something where maybe everyone on the team can, clean out their closet, look for clothes that they don't wear, that don't fit them, and donate those to people in need. There's so many people who don't even have clothes to wear. Something that we typically don't think about, right? Well, my team came together, and as you can see behind me, we have bags and boxes and just a ton of clothing. I have no idea how much it weighs. If I had to guess, I'd probably say maybe 1,000 pounds. I'm not sure. I mean, the team really came through and brought in a lot of clothing that I'm gonna take right now over to a local donation, the Salvation Army, and make sure that these get into the hands of those who really need them. So I wanna say, number one, thank you to everybody on my Vantagepoint team for coming together again and helping us to make a charitable donation to those in need. And I wanna say thank you to everyone in the Vantagepoint family, all the people who use our software, who have joined us and have put their faith in us and in our technology. And without you, we wouldn't have been able to be here for 40 years and growing the way that we're growing. And our company's growth ensures that we continue to grow the donations and the charitable giving that we're doing. So thank you so much. All right, we just got a really good workout loading all of this clothing up into the back of my truck. So I thought it might be around 1,000 pounds after loading it, maybe 2,000 pounds, no idea. All I know is we are donating a lot of clothes to those in need, and it feels amazing. So we're gonna drive it over to the Salvation Army now. All right, here we are at the Salvation Army drop-off. We're unloading my truck, and we're putting all of the clothing items into these semi-trucks over here. They're gonna take the clothing, they're gonna wash it, they're gonna size it, they're gonna, is it for children, adults, boys, girls, and then they'll be able to get into the hands of those in need. This has been a very worthwhile donation and project for the Vantagepoint team. Again, thank you everybody, and we are gonna do more and more of this type of giving to those in need right here in our local community.